second dust storm over there. Past, not,
Go
oh,
quickly and grab the Pathfinder.
yeah.
You can't put this in the garage anyways. And Dan has the Pathfinder at golfing, so it's not an option. One Friday.
Well, they're making another McDonald's, it looks like.
Probably won't hail.
All the fast food they could have put into McDonald's.
Oh, God, that's massive over there.
It's probably,
Like,
probably not
oh my God.
feeling 'cause it might not.
Look how big it is over there, Parker.
Honey, it's all out there. There's not as many houses. It just runs in dust. Yes. Like it gets.
Starting to rain.
It's an automatic.
Dark clouds.
Honey, they're
You guys remember? That's the automatic. Oh my God, it's hard. I'm using my blanket cushion. Guys, I'm cold. I feel like I'm gonna get cold.
It's like miniature sized hail mixed with water.
It's not gonna hail.
Good. Actually, if it's raining over there, that would stop the dust storm.